everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here because a company had reached out to me called Artcreatelove. It is a paint by numbers company, and they wanted me to review their product. So they told me to pick out a couple things under a certain amount, and they would send it to me to review. I've actually never done a paint by numbers before. So it was packaged up in this. Let's see here. And I will link their website down below in the description box. So you get the paints and the paintbrushes. Let's see here. You get some wall mount screws maybe. I believe this is a painting I picked out. I have never done one of these before, but it'll be quite interesting. It was wrapped in this foam. And if I can find the picture that I picked out, put it in a screenshot up here. So here is the painting. And let's see here. This here, I believe, is the stand that I picked out. I'm hoping it's the right kind. This is in bubble wrap. Well, I don't want to lose any of the pieces, so I purchased this stand on the side. When I didn't purchase it, I asked for it. They sent it to me. So once I get this going, this paint by numbers, we're gonna set this up and see how well it works with this. See, it's very nice canvas, actually. Very nice. The numbers are a little small. That's okay. And so you take the coordinating paint, because they're all numbered, and you find the color. Let's put you down here. So like 12, and then you find number 12. It's hidden here, right there, and you paint it. So this will be very interesting to do. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna see if my daughter can help me, but this is a really good canvas. This is very strong. Keep it. Very nice. Thank you, Artcreatelove, for reaching out to me to do this. Sorry, this video is a little late putting out, but I can't wait to work on this and show you what it looks like when it's done. So yeah, all right. I'll link their website down below in the description box, and we will get started on this, and I will show you the final results. It'll give me a little time to work on this, but I'm excited because, like I said, I've never done this before, and I'm not a painter, so we shall see. I'm going to have my daughter see if she can give me some tips. She is an artist. So, all right, everyone, take care. Bye for now.